What's up, YouTube? Thank you for stopping by and saying hello. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and that subscribe button. We're on another job today. What we're doing is we're going to be staining a deck. So we're going to pressure wash today, and tomorrow we'll be back staining. We're going to show you what you need to do to prep your deck to prepare it for a stain job. So we're going to go step by step. Do not go anywhere. Stay tuned, and we're going to show you what we do. All right, here we go. All right, so it's very simple. You're gonna need a pressure washer or a power washer. So we got the power washer here. You can see this one right here. We got the gun right here. So this is it. This is a simple electric pressure washer. So it's simple, it's easy. You just need an extension cord. So we're gonna go ahead and get the extension cord for that. You're gonna need a broom or a blower. So we're gonna get the blower. We're gonna blow off all the dirt, and then some ladders to get on top of the. What's up, guys? So check it out. You guys are gonna come with me. We're gonna go see the deck right now so you guys can see what it looks like. And I'll do a brief description of how we built it and how long it took. So come along and let's check this out. Voila! Here's the deck. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be staining this deck in this pergola. We built this about 10 months ago, I believe. So we're back to pressure wash today and then come back and stain. So remember, when you pressure wash, you gotta allow the deck or the pergola to dry for 24 hours or allow it to be dry completely before you stain. Otherwise, the stain will not adhere very well. And you also got to clean it, because if you do not clean it, then the stain will not stick to the wood itself, and then it'll just flake off or peel or whatever the case is later on. So continue watching, and we're gonna pressure wash next. See you guys here shortly. This is one that we built about 10 months ago. We're back to stain it. So we're pressure washing today. We're gonna get everything ready. Just figured I'd show you guys what it looks like. Here we are. So we will pressure wash all this. We're gonna get all of this out of here, and we'll start pressure washing everything, starting from the top, working our way down. Tomorrow we'll be back and we'll go ahead and stain all of this. So there we are. Take a look at the inside. So there's the top of the pergola. This provides shade, and this provides privacy all the way around. You can see it looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the pressure wash. And voila, just like that, we have the furniture done and removed. You can see there was the furniture there before, so we got all of that taken off. We got the blinds taken off that was right there. And now we're gonna go ahead and continue. And there's the ladder that we're gonna use to get on top. And now, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pressure wash the deck, the roofs, get all of that dirt off of there, and start from up there and work our way down. There's our pressure washer and extension cord. And then we'll just continue from there. So continue watching, like, and subscribe. See you guys here. Let's continue. And just like I said, we're starting at the top. So here we are at the top, pressure washing. You can see we're staying fairly close to get all of that dirt and debris out of the wood. And you can see how it looks so much more cleaner as we go over it with the pressure washer. So we're going to want to do this to the entire pergola and entire deck, working our way all the way through. Now, see, we continue, and I believe we're about halfway at this point. So we'll go ahead and take a look right about now. So look at how much more cleaner that looks compared to how dirty that looks. So we are having progress. The progress is great. You can see those lines. I'm not sure if you can see right where my finger's at. There's a difference in color. It gets lighter and darker. So we're going to continue pressure washing. You can see him pressure washing right there, getting that all cleaned up, getting all that dirt and debris out of there. So continue watching. We are getting progress and we're moving ahead. So the next step is to remove the hardware. I've already taken out the screws out of these. You can probably see I can lift it up. Alright, so we got it up. So there it is. So you want to put all the screws away that are in there. Put all those screws away. Make sure you don't lose them, because you're going to need them to screw everything back in. And here is when we take out the screw. Just use a screwdriver or a drill, in my case. Take it out. Grab the screw. Put it away safely. And we're good to go.
It was at this moment Raphael knew he messed up.
And there we go. Don't be like that guy and slip and fall. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the pressure washing the deck. You can see all that dirt moving along. We're going to continue on and finish this off. That is all you have to do is a pressure washer and a little bit of time, and you get your deck looking like new. Once again, we appreciate everybody for the support. We just hit 101 subscribers. Keep subscribing, keep liking, and give us an awesome thumbs up. We salute all of you DIYers and how-toers and construction men and women. See you guys in the next video. The next one we are doing is a staining video, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you, bye, and peace. Hey, what's up YouTube? Who's here?